Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So we're doing a very exciting video today. We are setting up a wedding gift that we got. It's a 4-burner grill. So let's get into it.
Oh yeah, we're doing it on such a nice day outside. It's currently 60 degrees out, which is actually definitely nicer than usual because it's usually in the freezing temperatures, but it's muddy.
What's that in Celsius? It's like 13 Celsius or something.
Yeah, what she said. Right now we're setting up the legs, and by we I mean her, because I'm the dedicated cameraman right now. As you can see, she's hard at work and putting the legs together. This is the main unit where the burners actually are, in case you couldn't tell. We got a nice blue color theme going on here. And yeah, it's gonna have a side burner as well. I don't know what side it's on though. Was it on the right side? I think it was on the right.
Yeah.
And just a bunch of other crap here, so yeah.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah.
There we go, we have the grill.
Yeah, that's the grill.
Now just attach the burners on, we're good. Sad puppy. He can't run around in the dirt and get our white couch all brown. Instead, he's locked inside. Ugh, such torture.
This can hurt someone.
Yeah, it's kind of a weapon. That's what grills were originally used for. We have a very competent builder over here.
What are these? What are these?
Did you check inside the box?
This is? Yeah, this is it.
Yeah. See, all you had to do was check inside the box. I was right.
Have some
That's what we're cooking.
foods done.
Yeah.
How do?
You attach it. Yeah. It's getting darker outside.
Yeah, I don't think we chose the best day to do this.
I think today's a perfect day.
I don't know. I kind of disagree.
It's always a perfect day to grill. Sad puppy again. So sad. So sad. Third time that he's sad.
don't.
What did you do?
I think I should have put the bottom piece first.
Oh no. So now you gotta take that off?
No. I will not. Bye, son. It's already setting.
The sun is setting, and we haven't even set up our grill yet. Our ancestors would be disappointed.
I need to take this out. I'm too hungry.
Isha trying to maintain composure. I'm back with what Isha called a bolt thingy.
I needed the bolt thingy for the wheel things.
Ah, yes, very sophisticated terminology. Got the main little chassis on there, the burners, the hood, that's what it's called. Just lifted it up and put it on the little divots. So if I show you in a second here, which is kind of in the middle of screwing that in. But if I just lift this up, kind of see that's where all the flames come out of. Putting the grates in there soon enough and then attaching the knobs and the side burner, and then we should call it good. Looks like we got most of the sides set up and everything. We got the side burner hooked up too. We have to screw this in place here. So next steps are attaching the knobs, and I think we need to get the part that catches all the crap on the bottom of this in. Get the grates in, set up the propane tank. We should be good. It's getting a little dark though, it might get a little rainy, so we might have to do it later.
Hello guys, so it's a few days later. I was in my t-shirt and my shorts because we thought it was gonna get a little hotter, but
It was a little hotter.
it was a little hotter for a couple days, but then it got cooler, and yeah, I'm in my winter jacket now.
Now it's at
'Cause-
freezing temperatures.
Yeah, so it's like -8 or something. But besides the point, I wanted to show you guys the finished grill. So we managed to finish it the day when we were assembling it, but then it started raining and we couldn't record anything else because it got really dark. And today's a pretty good day, so I thought, why not show you guys the grill? So here is the finished product. We have 4 burners inside. Oh, excuse the water, that's just the rain.
No, that's actually an added feature of the grill. There's a water dispenser.
Oh, nice. It's
to
so
cool it
fancy.
off in case of fire.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah.
So this is like another rack. I don't know why you would use it.
This is the, like, you keep the meats warm.
Oh.
A little warmer, yeah. So,
Oh,
like,
so if you're like done cooking and you just want to keep it warm, you put it up there?
yeah, basically, yeah, because if you're still cooking over here and all that's done, you don't want it to get cold on the outside, especially here. It's almost freezing temperatures. So, or it is freezing temperatures. So, yes.
I don't know why I thought it was for like vegetables, like things you don't want to cook too fast.
I mean, you could just lower the heat to like almost not on. There's,
I
like,
guess.
Cause that's like one of the main strategies of grilling, right? Is you have a high temperature burning section, and then you have like a lower heat section where you want to get the sear on your meat, and then you want to actually thoroughly cook it in the middle. So that's why you have the low heat section. So just a little food for thought.
Yeah, I didn't know anything like that. I mean, this is my first time grilling, or like my first grill.
Yeah.
It is kind of an American thing. Is
Yeah.
it?
No, I mean there's like tandoors which are similar.
Yeah, tandoors are pretty similar, but they're like in a clay, like this deep barrel type thing.
Yeah, I mean propane grills aren't very common in India, probably.
Yeah. Let me show you guys a little closer. So we have the 4 burners here. Then we have another burner here. I don't know why you need that one, but
Well,
there it is.
I mean, let's say you're grilling a bunch of meats, right? And let's say you want to saute something, or maybe you want
Mac and cheese.
yeah, or I mean, what if you're making like a sauce or something? You want to keep like
Oh yeah.
some kind of sauce warm on the side. You want to lather on the meats or something like that. So, I mean,
and
maybe side burner.
the propane is right here. So every time you want to use it, not every time, but pretty often, you have to go replace it, filled it up. You don't get like a... my parents have like a monthly thing. They get their gas tanks, or now they're like gas lines. They just like come directly to your house. But because this is like a detached thing, you have to go fill this up or get this cylinder, go to the store, replace the cylinder, and they'll give you like a pre-filled one.
Yeah,
So-
I mean, there's some stores that will fill the same propane tank, but I think a lot of them just give you a new propane tank that has propane in it. So, I mean,
I guess
is
it
what is.
depends on the place.
Yeah, I mean, we bought an empty propane tank from one store,
This is a good story.
thinking we could fill it up, and then when we went to actually go fill it up, they were just like, "Here, we'll take that one, and you get this one."
Yeah.
So it was just like an added step for no reason.
Yeah, we just gave the new propane tank we got and just got this older filled one, but it was easier, so convenient. Anything else?
It's got a thermometer right here, so you can see how hot the inside of the grill is.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's helpful.
Oh, another thing, look at the difference in our outfits. I'm wearing a winter jacket with socks and everything, and he's wearing shorts.
Well,
You're wearing shorts.
and sandals.
Yeah, and sandals. What the hell? It's too cold. My hands are freezing. My hands are like all frozen. I can't even... They're all white. It hurts, but yeah, we have this little goofball out here with us. What are you doing? Hi, Bubby. What? What?
What are you doing? Oh, I saw his breath. That's cold.
Yeah, it's cold. You can see his breath.
What are you doing, huh?
You ready to go in? Is it cold enough for you now?
Oh yeah, he's enjoying it. Isn't that right, buddy? Look at. Isn't that right?
I can see his breath.
Are you a good boy? Oh, of course you are.
Thanks for watching this video with us and coming along with our assembling journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next vlog.